Next year we'll be here.
What, you mean we haven't been nominated?
No, it's kind of embarrassing.
That's some oversight, isn't it?
Yeah.
Well,
Thank you.
No, thanks, Baz.
Thank you.
Thanks,
Baz. True friend.
They may think it's all sweetness and light, but she's been in a row backstage.
Yep. Kevin from Republic of Telly boxed me in the nose. It's a little bit awkward. Yeah. We'll be fine.
He needs to practice his hugs a little bit more.
Yes.
Anyway, they've got us doing a series.
I know. How ironic.
The range of subjects covered in the Specialist Factual category is proof that Irish audiences have a hunger for programmes that explore the complexities of Irish life, past and present.
Our nominees are drawn from a range of genres covering rebellion, spirituality, philosophy and literature. And here they are.
A parting gift.
And underneath the skin, you will see the fat layer, muscles, nerves, and all that sort of thing. So you can see this is kind of like the fatty tissue here, and then deep down there, this colouring is the muscle.
Oilia Anufosh, a terrible beauty. Brendan Behan, the roaring boy.
Came on me stealing, and the mice they were squealing in my prison cell.
Cumann, non the Réabhlóide.
What do you want from me?
We want you to tell your brother we paid you a little visit, that's all. You think you'll remember to tell him, darling?
The meaning of life with Gay Byrne, Stephen Fry.
It's utterly evil. Why should I respect a capricious, mean-minded, stupid God who creates a world which is so full of injustice and pain?
All right. And the IFTA goes to Cumann.
Well, this, like several people before us said this evening, is a surprise, but I'm absolutely delighted to accept this award on behalf of a most fantastic, professional and talented crew that put every effort into this production and punched way above their weight. I want to thank Colin Baird, our director, who did a wonderful job and probably the reason we're standing here. Fergal O'Hanlon, who is our director of photography, and the rest of the crew who are too numerous to mention, but who did a fantastic job, and I'm sure they're all proud. It's really important that we do these kind of stories and productions of people who've come before us and commemorate them. And I think TG Cahir over the years have done a wonderful job at producing this type of programming. And thank you to Micheál O'Malley for his guidance on this one. Thank you very much.